This is freshwater pearl mussels, an incredible and ancient creature that has lived in rivers and streams for over 200 million years. Due to stupid human activities such as pollution, habitat destruction, and overharvesting, the freshwater pearl mussels are now at Sportfiskarna West Side. They work with conservation efforts to protect these vital organisms and ensure their survival for future generations. Today, we'll be following Nicholas, a scientist dedicated to finding innovative ways to farm these critical organisms. Nicholas' technique involves parasitizing brown trout with the mussel larvae. Wicked. After some time, the mussels release their larvae, which will attach themselves to the gills of brown trout. This process is pretty simple but crucial. Once they are large enough, they will detach and settle onto the riverbed, and now things get really complicated. The entire process is closely monitored by Nicholas and his team of experts, with daily checks and water quality assessments carried out to ensure the health and well-being of the freshwater pearl mussels and brown trout. The team of biologists is constantly fine-tuning their methods to achieve the best possible results. Through Sportfiskarna's work, there is hope that freshwater pearl mussels can continue to thrive in our rivers.
Why do you guys care so much about those snails? I want bigger fish, tight lines, you know.
Well, buckle up, I will tell you why. The freshwater pearl mussel is an umbrella species, and by protecting the habitat of this species, entire ecosystems are also protected. By promoting the conservation of this species, we pave the way for bigger fish populations as well. By the way, did you know that a single individual cleans 50 liters of water every day through filtration? 50 liters. But their existence is endangered, as human activities threaten our planet's aquatic ecosystems. Through conservation work, we aim to safeguard these creatures and their habitats for future generations.